Let's learn how to create 2024 in 70 photos trend. For this we will have to use TikTok and CapCut applications. First we will have to find that template, and for that we will use our TikTok application. So once you open TikTok, click on search bar and find 2024 in 70 photos. Now we will use this second video, for example, this one, to take this template. Just click on this CapCut, try this template, and it will open this window. Use this red button, use template in CapCut, and it will open your CapCut application. Here, click on use template, and now you can add every image. When you're done, just click on next, and as you can see, your first picture will appear as cover up, so it will last 10 seconds, and every other will last 1.0.1. So make sure you choose 71 pictures, and once you're done, just click on export and you're done.